Welcome to Chief House, Four-Legged Freedom. So pretty much I got the pot ready. I'm gonna include throw some rice in there. All right. So this is gonna be a good meal. Coco, no, Coco is leaking his surgery. Can't let him do that. All right, so let's put the rice down here. I'm gonna throw the thing midnight. He's hungry, but he cannot reach his food with that cone around his neck. I don't like that cone, but I have to leave it there. So now start cooking this bad boy. Oh, Papa, you can't go in there. You got your cone. All right. So the rice and the vegetables are gonna start cooking pretty soon. I'm gonna give them some, I'm gonna give them some raw meat as well, but I'm gonna cook some of it with the rice as well, because I gotta feed the ones outside. All right. So let's see. All right, so I'm gonna stop this video. Then once I open this bad boy, I'm gonna record another video. So, because I don't want the videos to be too long. All right, take care.